Hi friends, in this topic I am going to discuss about the pocket pendulum. Pocket pendulum is a simple tool that connects you to the higher self and get to know all the things in the past, all the things present, all the things in the future. It's a very simple tool. I'll show you that tool. So this is the pocket pendulum. It is called as pocket pendulum because it can be kept in your pocket and it can be used anywhere. Pocket pendulum. And there is one more pocket pendulum here. This is also one type of pocket pendulum. Now, let me explain you the construction of this pocket pendulum. This pocket pendulum has got the body. It has got a body and it has got a thread connected to that body and it has got a holder here. This holder is made up of a bead. So this is a simple tool, pocket pendulum. So we may have different variety of pocket pendulum depending upon the body of the pocket pendulum. So this particular pocket pendulum is a crystal pocket pendulum because its body is made up of crystal. It is crystal pocket pendulum. And the second one is, this is Rudrakshi. Rudrakshi, a seed which is available in Himalayan region, the seed, Rudrakshi. Rudrakshi pendulum. So like this we have other brass pendulum, then mercury pendulum. Like different variety materials are there. Basically this body should be a non-magnetic material. It should be a non-magnetic material. And there are some hollow pendulums that are made up of the brass. So hollow pendulums are there. Right now I don't have. I'll show you later in my next sessions. So in that hollow pendulum you can keep some material and you can investigate on that material. So like this we have different pendulum. I have told you pendulum is a tool that connects you to the higher self. What is higher self? You'll come to know in my successive sessions. So now let us understand what can we do with this simple tool. This looks a very simple tool, but you can do miracles with this simple tool. You can use this simple tool, pocket pendulum, in healing your chakras. So there are chakras in the body that we'll understand later, and you can use this pendulum in healing the chakras. And you can use this pocket pendulum in healing with the help of aura. Aura surrounds our body and that can be clicked using the Kirlian photography. With the help of the Kirlian photography you can see the aura. So for aura treatment this pocket pendulum can be used. This pocket pendulum can be used to trace the missing objects, or it can be used to trace the missing person. So this tracing can be done at the site or it can be done with the help of a map also, tracing the object. And this pocket pendulum can be used to treat the diseases in the human body. We can, without asking the person, we can trace the disease in his body and we can cure that disease. And this pocket pendulum can be used to communicate with the souls, with the spirits, So it can be used as a tool to communicate with the spirits and get to know the things in the supernatural world. Right? So pocket pendulum, like this, these are the some very few examples I am telling you the uses of the pocket pendulum. These are not only the uses of the pocket pendulum. It can be used for infinite uses. And it can be user friendly to you. You can keep it in your pocket. You can always use it. It helps as a guide for your day-to-day life. It's a very simple tool. I'll train you. I'll try to train you in this pocket pendulum. And there are some things that you have to be cautious when you are using the pocket pendulum. Always keep it in the upper pocket. Don't keep it in the lower pocket. Right? And pocket pendulum is always personal. It cannot be shared with your friends or other person because it get tuned with your frequency, with your body, with your mind, everything. So once it is tuned with your soul, mind, body, then it cannot be shared with others. And you should have a practice of washing this pocket pendulum regularly in the crystal salt water. So if you wash it in the crystal salt water, any negative energy influence that will be removed. And it is very very important that if you buy a pocket pendulum, and it has to be charged. In my word, I say it should be given life. So it should be made live. So it has to be charged by an authorized person. So charging may be done with the nearby Reiki master, or charging can be done with the nearby pendulum master. So once that pendulum is charged, then it is ready to use for you. How to use, how to handle with it, that I will be dealing in my next session. So what I want to say in this session is, pocket pendulum is a very simple tool that gives entry to the supernatural world. Pocket pendulum is a very simple tool. So you can easily learn it. You can easily learn it, and you don't have to practice much. A simple basic breathing exercise. Simple basic breathing exercise is more than enough to handle with this pocket pendulum. And you can do miracles. You can do distance healing with the help of pocket pendulum. Suppose your friend or some relative is ill in some other distant place, that you can heal that person sitting at your location. It can be used for the distance healing. And it can be used to know many things in the supernatural world. A very simple tool. So you can learn it very easily if you follow my coming sessions. So if you like my session, please share, please like my session, and come to my next session. Thank you.